Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to disable extensions on Google Chrome. So maybe you wanted to troubleshoot on your browser to see if there is any issues with one of your extensions, or you just want to see how your browser will perform without a background extension. Here's how you can do this. Now on your Chrome browser, once you have extensions installed, you see the extension tab at the top right corner of your screen here. Now click on this and you see a list of extensions that are installed on your device. You can simply click on the three dots on the extension and you see manage extension, or you can click on manage extensions in this section and it will bring you here. Now if you do not find the options to do that here, you want to click on the three dots beside your profile here and you see somewhere here extensions and manage extensions. You can also get to extension when you scroll to settings, click on settings, and on the settings page when you scroll down here a little, you will see extensions. Click on this and this will take you to extensions. Now under extension here you find all the extensions you have installed on your browser. On any extension you want to disable, you want to go to that extension and somewhere on the extension bottom here you will see the option to disable it. And once you do this, this will disable the extension without uninstalling it from your browser. You can always come back here to toggle it on to enable the extension. And when you toggle it off, you will no longer find that extension within the extension list in this section. So thank you for watching this video. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.